Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. I'd like to introduce you to Rosalind. And Rosalind came all the way over here from Nassau, Bahamas to receive chiropractic care here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief because it wasn't humid and hot enough over there. So she thought she'd come to Houston, and now we've got a tropical storm blowing in. So it feels just like home, huh? I was telling Rosalind she'd be the only patient that I even think about doing a house call to Nassau, Bahamas. So she came in here with a lot of mid-back pain and rib pain and upper back pain, shoulder pain, tension headaches, low back pain, right leg sciatica, numbness and tingling down in her feet. She incidentally had acid reflux and gastritis that she's been diagnosed with from her gastroenterologist over in the Bahamas, right? Mm-hmm. And she's had stress and anxiety and difficulty sleeping. Her stress and anxiety's gotten worse with dealing with Renee every day, but no, that's better with Renee. It's worse with me, right? Yes. Okay, let's have you close your eyes now, and we're going to show them how we're helping you. Let's have you flex your hip forward and backwards now. And then neutral. Now Rosalind has been receiving chiropractic care over in the Bahamas already, and she's received medical care over there in the Bahamas for her condition already as well. And I'm going to let her tell you in her own words how she's done this week. Now she's on the twice a day for 4 days in a row. This is number 6 out of 8. So Rosalind, how do you think you're doing so far to date?
Well, I'm doing excellent, excellent. I had a knot in the back of my neck, that is gone. And the tingling in my feet, that's gone also. I'm doing great. I don't have the low back pain. I don't have the, when I walk, I don't feel the pain in my back anymore.
Is the numbness in your legs better?
The numbness is gone. That's gone. So it's a big improvement.
How's your tummy been feeling most of the time?
Well, the tummy was doing excellent. It's just a little, you know, right.
Sore from where I'm pushing on you?
Yeah, it's a little bit, you know, so it's not completely yet.
Right. Right. Is your ribs feeling better?
It's fine. It's fine. Okay,
good. All right, so let's show them how we do that. First thing I'm going to do is decompress you. There we go. Justin, if you're watching this, the pins didn't get here again today. And UPS already come, didn't they?
Yes. They brought my office supplies.
So I got my writing pins, but I don't have my titanium pins yet. Okay. Just like that, my dear. Perfect. You're getting really good at that relaxing.
It's not as bad.
It's easier than the first one, isn't it? Yes. She's relaxing better now that she knows I'm not going to rip her head off. There we go. Oh yeah, crack addicts are gonna love you. Okay.
Are you doing?
We're gonna come over and do the knee chest next. Okay, let me help you up sideways. There we go. Okay, let's come over here on this table. And I'm gonna have you lay on your get on your knees here, put your face and chest up here.
Put my knees
down there. Yeah, I want to get this piece of paper out for you though first. Yeah, it's really hard to separate these pieces of paper into one sheet without licking your fingers, and I don't like to do that.
Anytime now, Dr. J.
Oh, quiet.
Put some of that for sale on your hands.
There. There we go. Okay. Now I want you just to let this kind of relax down in there.
Watch it.
Oh, that'll go. One more. Right there. Okay, let's come over here now. That adjusts that lower thoracic upper lumbar region that's really difficult to get, and that also neurologically connects to the stomach and small intestine. Okay, there we go. Right there on your tummy now.
Nope. Oh, there's your.
Now her legs are exactly even now. They weren't when we first saw her, and that doesn't hurt too bad, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Tightens up a little bit, but not bad. So we're going to adjust her left SI first. And then her right SI. And then her sacrum, which is right in the center of the pelvis. Now I'm going to drop straight down on L5, L4. Now notice the angle of my drive is changing the further I come up the lumbar spine, all the way to L1. Okay, just let your arms hang down here. Exhale. That a girl. There we go. Yep. There you go. You're being cooperative for the camera. Good girl. Legs are even still, and this should feel even smoother than the first one. Okay, you're gonna feel your head popping up a little bit on this next one. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. I made that now, have you know. Renee's my good luck charm. There we go. Now slide down this way a little bit. And let's put your arms out to the sides, palms up. Now girl. Perfect. There we go. Okay, now take a deep breath in. And then exhale through your mouth as I'm going to pull your stomach down. Working on the outside of the abdominal muscles. Okay, now another deep one. Exhale. Now we don't treat acid reflux or GERD or hiatal hernia, the disease. We treat the biomechanical condition of the spine and the rib cage, which influences the autonomic nervous system. And that's how people heal. There we go. Okay. Now, let me just pull your leg. Can't get out here without me pulling your leg. There we go. There we go. Good girl. Okay, let's sit you up and face that way. There we go. There we go. That's it. That's, boy, listen to you. You're just showing off for the camera, aren't you? So there's going to be a lot of people watching this video that see that you came all the way over here from Nassau, Bahamas for the treatment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. Has it been worth the trip to you?
It really does. It does weigh the trip.
Okay, good.
It does weigh the trip. I
Good.
have a lot of easement
And what did we tell you to do all week?
to drink
Eat,
a lot
drink,
of
and be
water.
merry, right?
Right.
Alright, now let's have you flex forward and backwards again. People that come in with acid reflux and hiatal hernia conditions, we tell them to go eat whatever they want all week long to test it out. Things they may not have eaten for years. Good old Tex-Mex food down at Irma's, or good old steaks over at Tasty Texas, which we always recommend those two restaurants in Houston. There, okay. Now let's try that same thing again, see if this feels any smoother. Very good. So if you had to say one word to describe the practice here, what would you say?
It's awesome. It's number one.
All right,
I've never
thank
experienced
you.
it before. Thank you so much.
Like I said, you're the only person
Thank
I'd
you
even
so
consider
much.
making a house call to in the Nassau, Bahamas. This is your Houston chiropractor coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We're getting ready for a tropical storm, so we'll see you soon.